Welcome to this walk around video. Today we've got a facelifted Mini Cooper S Sport on a 75 registration, registered in December of 2025. So it does come with the reassurance of a manufacturer's warranty until December 2028. Is a one owner vehicle and has covered just over 3,800 miles from new. It's got a lovely specification. Starting off with the exterior, is finished in Legend Grey. It does come with the black bonnet sport stripes. The key feature with this car, it does come with the level 2 pack. So you do get everything from the level 1 pack, including the panoramic glass roof, sun protection glazing, and the mini head-up display. Exterior wise, you've got the John Cooper Works styling, all the black exterior accents as well. The car also comes with the upgraded 18-inch John Cooper Works alloy wheels. Some other features, it does have comfort access and adaptive LED headlights. Around the rear you can see the new tail light design and the rear diffuser, along with the rear spoiler. On the inside you can see that the interior has been completely revised for the facelift. You've got the lovely John Cooper Works seats with black leather. Of course, as I mentioned earlier, the panoramic glass roof and the heads-up display. You do also have the Harman Kardon sound system. Steering wheel is heated and it's got the John Cooper Works styling. You do have the curved OLED display, circular display, with your navigation, Apple CarPlay, etc. through there. Does also come with parking assistant with rear view camera. As you can see there, it's also got the wireless charging tray, part of the level 1 pack. It is fully loaded with spec, and as I mentioned, it is a one owner vehicle. Other features, got heated front seats as well. If you have any questions about this car, please do get in touch. The number is 01423 33 1133.